just multiply it by force, then you know the vector of the force. So the answer will be I plus J plus K. Okay? So this will be the first one. Okay. Then the second things.
มันส่งอะไรมา
Second things. So lecture 3. This dot product, so this cross product then. Okay, so this one is about the moment. So I'll give you the problem of the moments, then you have to solve it. For example, what is the moment?
Yeah.
Can you remember one of the
Yes.
questions that I asked? The moment in the strings. What is the moment in the string? You have to find it also. So you know the moment is equal to okay, and then if I ask to find AG for example, what is it then? Can you try moment of AG by what is in the block?
Unit vector.
Yes, the same. Anything you would like to, how to say, if you have a vectors and then you want to know the magnitude of the vector onto the axis,
Yeah.
then you always use this unit vector, or we call dot product. Okay. So first, find the moment. Secondly, find the moment onto the axis.
It is static, right?
Static, yes. So the last chapter of the statics, when lecture 5, as promised, so centroid. So last one
I
is
think it's
no, last one is just pressures, right? Last one is some kind of pressure, and then you have to find the force by these pressures. But this one will be centroid. So first, x bar equal to sigma x for A.
equal A. Sigma A.
Okay? So if you have like this, two objects, and then what is the centroid or CG? Where is it? So what you have to remember is the formula for this shape. Okay? I think it's not too much, right? I think I don't need to give you the whole table to solve this.
อัดวิดีโออยู่อาจารย์ยิ้มหน่อยนะ
Okay, so
ยิงกูไม่มือละ
คือนันถ่ายให้ชัด
เอาถึงตอนนี้มึนมากเลย
okay, so here comes to the final exam for after midterms.
อืม
So for lecture 8,
Yeah, don't have bridge.
so lecture 8 is about the kinematics. What is kinematics then?
Moving. Kinetic. Is energy.
Actually, it's the motions.
Kinetics of a particle.
Yeah, the movement of the particles or any motion with the particles without energies.
Yeah.
So kinetic is only about the movement. So can you remember F equal to ma? This one is kinetics.
Okay.
It's related to force, and the movement of the force is related to energies. But in kinematics, we don't care about this. Okay? Kinematic, we only use velocities. Okay, displacement, velocity, and acceleration. And of course, time.
Yeah.
So nothing else. No force, no mass.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what I expect you to be able to remember, the formula in the exam is uniforms, accelerate, okay, so this one is related to so just use this one.
หนึ่งสองสามสี่ก็ที่หนึ่งเลยนะ
I think have five formula.
มีคนส่งรูปมาให้ที่วัดวันฟุตของ
So try to remember this and then try to solve the problem in the exams. Okay. Second things is lecture.
จากตัวจอดูรูปของรูปนี้ก่อน
Kinetics.
จอห์น you know this keywordไม่รู้อ่ะโอเค
Can you remember something like
Is it about function?
John you have it right
yes? So for example, we have something like this. Okay. Something like this, then you can draw. You can draw the force, tension, and then friction, or other thing else. There will be maybe B force, external force, and then this one will be MA.
ก็รู้แล้วว่าแต่ภาษาอังกฤษอะไร
Pulling. So something like this.
ไม่ก็พูดแล้วบอกก๊อปปี้
กูก็รู้อันนั้นนะ
Okay.
Yes.
Then
Yeah.
this.
That's something, man.
ก็มานั่งดูหมวดต่อไม่ใช่
Lecture 10. Actually, lecture 10 is already in the quiz.
Hi.
Okay.
Stress.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you already know in the quiz. So in lecture 10 for the calculation will not be in the exam anymore because you already did. previously.
8 9
But then you have to looking for the definitions. For example, the stress and everything else. Okay. So you have to read it and just to understand. I ask you for how to say to understand the content, not to remember things. Okay. So this is about the stress. So introduction to the stress, and then lecture 11. So what is this about?
Strain, stress.
Yes. Okay. So this only about the stress and maybe a little bit strain, but this is to know the relation between the stress and the strain. Okay. Then in the exam, I think you already know this. So the stress equal to
ฮะ E
This wrong. This is wrong, right? Yes, this is right already. Okay. And then equal to but you know how this go to this, right? The thing is, this one is P over A, and then this one is this over length, right? Do you know the definition of the strength? The strength is the percentage deformations of the original length. So it's a deformation divided by the length at rest. So it's the length 0, for example. And then this one, the stress is the force over the area. So, and then by changing the side, you will have this formulas. Okay. And then what you have to do is, of course, there will not be the simple rod and then pull. So this one have to be sigma.
แล้วขึ้นมาหา
Okay.
ที่แบบไม่เป็นมีคิดของนี้ได้เลยไม่แต่มันน้อยนิดมากนะที่คุณแบบมหาลัยมันตัวไหนไม่เคยมันจะอ้วนในชีวิตเลยนะ
Then the last one. So you remember this? Or so do you remember this one? If you pull it, you will get concentrated stress. Okay. So we will have stress which very high. And also the same like this. For example. Then to find this you need a table, right? So this table is given. You don't need to be able to write this table, okay? I give the table in the exam already. So no need to remember this, but you have to know how to use this table, that's it. And
กูกิเลนกรินะอาจารย์ไอตัวนี้คืออะไรคำเลยไอคำนั้นคืออะไรเนี่ย
this one, given.
กิเวน วี
GREE
เฮ้ยมันเหมือนว่าที่มันมีเหมือนกันต้องเหมือน
and then
เชลล์มี12ด้วยเหรอ
12มีนะไม่เข้าใจผิดไม่เข้าใจผิด
โอ้
เกี่ยวกับ
อ๋อที่มีอะไร
just
ไม่โน่อะไรด้วย
just read all the things no
So it's not any calculation in this class.
yes
วิจริงเหรอเฮ้ยดีดิจิตอลวีดอะไร
so the focus point will be the
ฮะโค้ดเหรอ
ระบบอะไรครับ
อ๋อ
but you have to read all from so this will be in the definitions also so I ask for the definition and the concept okay so doing this new things
นก
yeah so basically after midterms all of the chapter will be in the exam but before midterm only 3 chapters
จอห์นสมายโคลซิ่ง
so do you have
It's gonna be on YouTube.
do you have
อัน
any
นี้คือไม่ใช่
particular chapters you
กลับ
need to
กลับด้านไม่ได้
review
เป็น
or you not understand
อ๋อเชื่อคิดว่าลองวิดีโอเปลี่ยนได้เหมือนกัน
ไม่รู้ว่าจะไปอุ้มคนเดียว
Chapter